Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. Guys, one of the most common questions I get asked is, Tom, how can I increase my account size? And there are a few ways, but basically, guys, you need to increase the capital within your account. And again, there's a few options for this in the market. But one of the most popular ways is a prop firm. I know this is not a new concept to you guys. There are many prop firms out there, which is why I always get asked, which prop firm should I use? Here at Simply Forex, guys, we decided to do a bit of research into this market and partner up with a company that we think offer you a lot of value as a prop firm user. Okay, and as you can see, guys, that prop firm is MyFlashFunding. Not only do they have one of the lowest profit targets in the industry at 6%, they also have very little restrictions as to what you can trade and how you can trade it, guys. So we're going to delve a little bit deeper into MyFlashFunding and understand why it's a good choice for you as a prop firm. Before we look at the evaluation process, guys, it's worth mentioning that we had the CEO of MyFlashFunding on our podcast, and I liked his transparency. He was like, this is what we do as a prop firm. This is what we don't do. And, you know, he laid everything out very clear, very transparent. And so we got a good vibe off the CEO, and that's reflected in their evaluations and their payouts and the way they conduct themselves. So let's take a look at the evaluations and how you become funded, guys, because obviously as a, prop firm user, this is the nitty gritty and this is what we want to know. Let's just scroll down a little bit. As you can see, guys, you can choose the dollar amount, the challenge that you wish to take. So you've got $10,000, and the fee for the $10,000 is $97. You can see that down here. And you can also see the different parameters. So it's an unlimited trading period. There's no minimum trading days. So this is brilliant for you as a prop firm user. There's no time restrictions that can create, stress and panic when you trade. There's a maximum daily loss of 4%. Okay, and a maximum loss overall of 8%. And as we spoke about earlier, the profit target is only 6%. There's the majority of prop firms are 10% or higher as a profit target, but 6% is very achievable. Okay, and once you pass step one, you then go on to step two, and the parameters are the same for step two. There's no fee for step two. You just need to pass step one. But this is just really giving the guys at MyFlashFunding an understanding that you are consistently profitable over a period of time. Okay, and once you prove that in step two, you then become a flash trader, which is step three, guys. All right, and this is when you can start receiving funds once you trade successfully and start generating profit on the virtual account. If we change the dollar amount, let's go to $50,000. Obviously, the parameters change, but the percentages don't. So the fee for a $50,000 account is higher, but this again is refundable if you pass the challenge. Yeah, and then the parameters are the same. There's no time limits. There's 4% maximum daily loss, 8% maximum loss overall, and your profit target is still 6%. And the idea is to pass step one and step two, and then become a flash trader where you can receive a profit share. And we'll look at the profit share in more detail shortly. If you want to become a funded trader quickly, then we can change this from 2 steps to 1 step. Okay, so you can see here that the parameters have changed. So this is a $50,000 account. Yeah, the trading periods, minimum trading days, is still unlimited, so we don't have that time constraint, which is great. But the parameters slightly change. So the maximum daily loss is 4%. The maximum trailing loss is 6%, and the profit target does increase to 10%, but it's literally only 1 step for us to become a flash trader. So if you want to do that process a little bit quicker, then you can, guys. And again, the fee is refundable. Yeah, so this is the initial fee you need to pay, guys, but if you pass the challenge, then this will be refunded. So you decide the dollar amount, 10, 25, 50. This also gives you a fee that you need to pay. You can choose 2 steps or you can choose one step. Yeah, but this fee you initially pay, but it is refundable. So as you can see here, guys, the fee will be refunded to traders with the initial profit split once they become a Flash trader, guys. And that's the goal, to pass the process and become a Flash trader where you can receive 80% of the profit share. So the goal is to become a Flash trader, guys. Yeah. And here you can see if you trade responsibly and consistently, you can earn 80% of the profit you make. Okay. So great profit share, guys. The broker they use is Think Markets. Yeah. And again, we've done a little bit of research, guys. They have very competitive spreads and commissions. So yeah, you're in good hands with Think Markets. So let's recap, traders, on some of the reasons why we like MyFlashFunding as a choice of prop firm. So first of all, the lowest profit target. That 6% is very achievable, guys. Yeah, like I say, most are 10% or more. Most prop firms are 10% or more, but this is 6%. So we like that, guys. Also, there's no restrictions, guys. You can trade robots, you can copy traders, you can trade news releases, you can trade over the weekend. There's no lot size limits. Yeah, you can hedge, which is what we do a lot of Simply Forex. So we really like the fact you can trade how you like. Okay. Next, unlimited time. Yeah, there's so many prop firms out there, guys, that give you 30 days, 3 months, you know, just taking that time restriction away really puts you at ease and makes it easier for you to, you know, trade your system in your own time. Something we haven't touched on yet, they also have an excellent scaling plan, guys. So if you can average 4% profit a month over 3 months, you could potentially scale your account up to $2 million. Okay, and remember, guys, you get an 80% profit share of this. Another thing with prop firms, guys, is the payout. Yeah, we put all this hard work into trading, been super disciplined, traded our strategy, and we want to get our rewards. We don't want any fuss regarding that. So what MyFlashFunding do is a bi-weekly payout. Okay, so this is an industry-leading payout schedule. So you can get payouts every couple of weeks, guys, all right? And it's pretty fuss and hassle-free. And as we alluded to earlier, guys, the fastest funding, you can have a 1 or 2 step to becoming a funded Flash trader, or you can reduce that to 1 step and become a Flash trader, okay? So it's the fastest funding. You can even do it within 24 hours or less, guys, if you hit the target of 6%. And another big thing for me, guys, with prop firms is how quickly they respond to any problems or issues you may have. You know, you need to be supported by your prop firm. And as you can see, guys, on these Trustpilot reviews, you know, very good support, amazing support, very swift, you know, so this is also crucial as, you know, offering value as a prop firm. And not only do they have good ratings on Trustpilot, there are other online review platforms that also give it a great rating. So as you can see, guys, there are many, many reasons and lots of value for the trader when you use MyFlashFunding. And this is why we decided to partner up with this particular prop firm. So if you're a trader who wants to grow their account size, grow their capital, then why not use MyFlashFunding? They have a 6% profit target. They have no restrictions in terms of what and how you can trade. There are no time restrictions, which takes the pressure off for you. They have excellent support. Yeah, so come join MyFlashFunding and click the link below. And guys, because we have partnered up with MyFlashFunding, they are willing to give you a discount on every challenge that you use if you use the code SIMPLY. So use SIMPLY as the code when you check out, guys, and you'll receive a discount on all the challenges. So click on the link now, guys, and start your journey on becoming a funded trader with MyFlashFunding in partnership with Simply Forex.